So we will use this video module to see where the forecasting module is. And recall from this first week, you have an assignment, a lab, where you will have to create your forecasting account within ClassNet. Now keep in mind the only time that we're going to use ClassNet is to make a weather forecast. So to be able to use ClassNet, you will need to create your own account within ClassNet. Let me show you how to do that. We will go to our information and resources for NASC 102 Summer 2019. You will scroll down to this particular link and go ahead and click on it, and you will see ClassNet pop up.
ClassNet is what we will use to access our daily forecasting exercise. The first time that you come to ClassNet, you see the URL, I've highlighted it up near the top of the screen. You will need to join a ClassNet class. We will join the ocean_atmosphere course that I'm displaying with my cursor right now. And then you will click on Join a ClassNet class. You'll only have to do this once to start off. And so I'll come down here to our ocean_atmosphere course, and then I will just go ahead and put a sample here. And click on Enroll. And now the student is registered. So the first time that you go into ClassNet, you will join the ClassNet. After that, you'll just come back to this link here and click on ocean_atmosphere and just log into your account. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate this here. And you'll see the one assignment that we have is the 00/forecast. Highlight that, and I can actually complete a weather forecast. And I will actually demo how to go through and make a forecast. But for these purposes, I just wanted to show you how to actually access this particular weather forecasting module. Now, if I scroll back here, we can also check for answers and scores. We don't have any forecast yet. But let me go ahead and just log into a test student account that I have already done previously, and I'll demo what we can do here. Now this particular student, demo student, has actually completed several forecasts. If I click on answers, I can get answers for any of these forecasts. And again, these are forecasts that I've already submitted and have been graded by ClassNet. And I actually made a forecast for Seattle back on December 10th. Let's just scroll down to the bottom and see what my actual score was. 28 out of a possible 36 points. Now, if I'm interested in seeing all of my scores for all of my forecasts, I will go back to the ClassNet menu and click on Scores. And you'll see that so far this particular student, out of a possible 288 points in the forecast, has earned 226. If I scroll down here, you see the dates of the forecast and the scores. 32 out of 36, not bad. 26 out of 36, 24 out of 36, not the greatest scores. Here's a good one here, 34 out of 36. You'll notice so far no perfect scores on these forecasts. And we will get into this particular module in terms of forecasting in just at a later module. This is just a demo how to create your account, how to actually access the assignment, which is the forecasting assignment, how to check for answers, and how to check for scores.